everyone, I am Dr. Sonali, working at Synergy Dental Clinics from past 8 years. We are into dental implant practice from 25 years under the guidance of Dr. Vipin Mahudkar. So today I am going to talk about why dental implants are the best solution for replacing the missing teeth. Whenever we are opting for dental bridge, it involves shaping of the adjacent teeth. And in that process, enamel, which is the strongest and protective layer of the tooth, gets cut down. So because of loss of enamel, tooth gets weakened and it reduces the longevity of the tooth. Versus in dental implant is the only permanent solution which replaces the missing tooth, and it does not harm the adjacent teeth also. And it also acts as a root for the artificial crown. So whenever you are going for replacement of missing teeth, you should opt for dental implants. If you want more details or information, please contact and visit us at Synergy Dental Clinics. Thank you.